Yeah, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can keep one tap shortcuts on your mobile home screen for this AI assistants. That may be ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Just with one tap, you no need to open the app drawer and search for the apps or something like that. But just within the home screen, one tap you can use. I'll tell you how you can keep these AI assistant shortcuts on your home screen very easily. Yeah, let us go into the video. In order to have ChatGPT shortcut or Gemini shortcut on the home screen, what I have just shown you, first of all, you need to have that app. See here, currently Gemini is already available on my phone. I need to install ChatGPT. So I'm just opening Play Store and I'm just installing this ChatGPT app. Okay, ChatGPT, OpenAI ChatGPT. So once it is installed, it is 30.22 MB. So yeah, it is getting quickly installed. Yeah, I'm done with the installation. Okay, ChatGPT appears here on my home screen. I just need to give a long press on my home screen until I see this widgets option. Tap on this widgets and see, you will find ChatGPT and there is one widget. All I need to do is just drag and drop it on my home screen so that from now on, with one click, I can just use ChatGPT. Likewise, very similar. Press and hold on your home screen. Maybe for now, I'll remove this different country time zone shortcut widget on my home screen for temporary purpose. If you want this tutorial, you can find it in the description. Press and hold, click on the widgets and search for the Google Gemini and drag and drop. So this is how simple, just within a minute or less than a minute, you can keep one touch or one tap AI assistant, that may be ChatGPT or Gemini voice shortcuts or the widgets on your home screen. If you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.